your comment. Good morning. Welcome to your studio for the look at that. I'm installing Boot Camp Windows 10 on my iMac, brother. My iMac. Ay, ay, ay. Do you believe it? Let me show you. Let me show you first. Okay. This is what I'm talking to you, brother. It's not a joke. It's real. Now, look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. My mouse is here. Okay. Now I have all of this and can change. I can choose my language. Okay. Next. Install now. Now I'm not key. I'll click I'm not key. And here you can choose where the version of Windows you want to install. I want to install Windows 10 Professional. Next again. And choose this. Next again. Let's see this. You can see bootcamp size and all of this as you can see here. Okay, go back, just choose this. Okay, oh what are you doing? Go back, click on here, choose just bootcamp. Okay, connect. Okay, and the installation process started, brother. The installation process started. If you want to install the same thing, you need to go on bootcamp on your Mac OS. Download the ISO. Okay, you need the ISO file from Windows and get ready. The installation process started. You can see. Okay. Get ready. Okay. Process continue. 98%. You can see here. Okay. And get ready. It's working. Go process bar here. Okay. Your voice cracking sharp because it's amazing. Okay, now you need to restart. Now, restart now. Get ready. Okay. Okay. Get ready. Investigation started. Is going to install the drivers. Okay. Windows is back. Okay. Not a joke. I like this. Mm-mm. Okay, wait for finishing. Okay, I have something yet. I have something here, brother. What is this? You need to wait. It's in French. I will translate it in English for you. Don't worry. I installed the first version of Windows 10. The brand new Windows 11 is available. No. This is Elite. Maybe I will make a video to show you. The voice character sharp. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I feel that you need to wait a few minutes. Okay, welcome. Now you are ready to configure your beautiful Windows. Okay. Now, wow, so fast. Now let's configure this quick. Okay, yes, nice. Need to connect to the internet. Not yet. Okay, let me enter my name. Okay, let me configure all of this. No. What can I do? No, 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 no. Okay. Bonjour. It means good morning. Start preparing your system. Okay, get ready for that. Bravo. Steve. This is all of my beautiful thing. Stay here, please. And welcome back. Look at the puff. Nice. Hello. Okay. What happened here? Get ready. Almost finished. And welcome. What? Do you believe this? Let's test the keyboard. What? Look at what you click on this keyboard. Look at what you have. Look at what you have. Yeah. Down. And it's working, brother. It's working. Do you believe this? Look at that. Look at that, brother. Do you believe it? It's working. It's working. Wow. Look at all of this. Damn. It's working. Now you need to connect it to the internet. Okay. Connect to the internet. we connect with internet for network connection. I am not Wi-Fi yet. I want to install the driver just to see if it's working. Okay. Wow, this is not a joke. Definitely not a joke. Okay. Look at how it's working. You need to install also the graphic driver. Okay. Let me looking for internet first and configure it. I will show you this after. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you all. And I'll see you later for more videos. God bless you. Beautiful.